Hello everyone, today I will show you how to increase or decrease a drawing line thickness using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and I will decrease this drawing thickness. Click on this comment option. Now select this selection option and select annotation and drag your mouse to selected drawing and this right side where this properties option. Here you will find this custom line wide. And also here you can increase wide and make it 12 and see this. In this way you can decrease a drawing wide and make it 14, high is 12 and see this. In this way you can change a drawing thickness and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.